Today, we'll be learning how to make Igbo sentences starting with will you and you will. Now, will you and you will in Igbo, like other questions and sentences, are very similar. The only difference is just the tonality. For you will, eager. The tonality, the tone you use in saying it is just the low tone, the average tone. You don't raise it, neither do you take it down. Just the mid tone. Yes, mid tone. Eager. That you will. But for will you have to raise it up. Eager. So let's take some examples. Now, will you talk? Ị ga-ekwu okwu. You will talk. Ị ga-ekwu okwu. Will you go? Ị ga-eje. This can also be ị ga-aga. You will go. Ị ga-eje. Ị ga-aga. Will you bathe? Ị ga-asa ahụ. You take it up. Ị ga-asa ahụ. You will bathe. Ị ga-asa ahụ. Will you come? Ị ga-abịa. You will come. Ị ga-abịa. Try practicing it as often as you can. Remember, question, high tone. Normal sentence, mid tone. Now, I've got a question for you. Drop it in the comment section. How will you say, will you eat food today? Will you eat food today? How will you say it? Tell me in the comment section. And if you learn something new, please don't just leave without liking this video. It will take you anything away from you. Like this video, share this video, drop a comment in the comment section. If you are yet to follow or subscribe, please kindly do so for more videos like this. And if you are ready to learn the Igbo language in a more structured format, take advantage of our discount and register for our upcoming Igbo group class. Check description, caption, comment section for details.